Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel that is Stillalearner. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video we are going to discuss 3rd class mathematics 5th chapter workbook answers. Okay guys, I have already uploaded chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4 notes as well as English all lessons workbook answers and EVS all lessons workbook answers. I have already uploaded. Go and check it out and write it down in your workbook. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss 5th chapter, which is multiplication. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Okay guys, let's see. So worksheet number 1. Here the subtopic is multiplication and its components. Okay, let's see the first Roman. Here we have given fill in the blanks. Let's fill it correctly. So first one is the number to be multiplied is called as dash. Okay, what we call the number to be multiplied, we call it as multiplicand. Okay, multiplicand. Okay, multiplicand. Second one, the number with which we multiply is called as multiplier. Okay, third one, the result obtained in multiplication is called as product. Okay, product is also nothing but doing multiplication. So the answer we get, we call it as product. Okay, let's see the second Roman, which is in multiplication 12 multiplied by 2 equal to 24. Okay, let's see here what is multiplicand, what is multiplier and what is product, so that you may have a clear idea about it. So here 12 is called multiplicand and 2 is called multiplier and the result, which is 24, is called as product. Now you got understood guys what is multiplicand, what is multiplier and what is product. Okay, so this is the answer for this. Now we'll move to the third Roman, which is again fill in the blanks. Let's see this. Okay, so here one table is given which have 4 columns. First one is multiplication, second one multiplicand, third one multiplier and fourth one is product. Okay, let's see here. In multiplication we have given 5 multiplied by 8 equal to 40. So here what is multiplicand? Of course multiplicand is 5 and multiplier is 8 and the product is 40. Next one, 8 multiplied by 5 equal to 40. Here multiplicand is 8, multiplier is 5 and the result means product is 40. Next third one, 13 multiplied by 4. Here 13 is multiplicand, 4 is the multiplier and 52 is the product. Okay, that is the answer. Next last one, 4 multiplied by 13 is 52. Here first one, which is 4, is a multiplicand, next 13 is a multiplier and 52 is a product. Got it guys? Write down neatly without any mistake. Please pause it and write it down. Let's see fourth Roman, which is again fill in the blanks. Here first one is multiplicand into dash is equal to product. Of course we know, I just tell you before, which is multiplicand multiplied by multiplier is called product. Okay, so multiplicand multiplied by multiplier is equal to product. Second one, dash multiplied by multiplier equal to product. Multiplicand multiplied by multiplier is product. Okay, next third one, multiplicand into multiplier equal to dash equal to product. Got it? I know now it's very clear for you about all this multiplicand, multiplier and product. Got it guys? Let's move on to the second worksheet. Here the subtopic is repeated addition, which we called arrays also. Okay, let's see here. One square box is given in which we have 4 columns and 4 rows. Means horizontal and vertical way we have 4 blocks, which means 4 4s 16. Let's observe the grid. Okay, so here we have given some blanks which we need to fill it. Okay, so first one is number of rows. How many rows we have? Rows is nothing but horizontal lines, means 1 2 3 4. That's why I write down 4. How many columns we have? Column is nothing but vertical way. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Write down 4. Number of grids. Number of grids means how many total blocks are there in this square grid. Means 14. 4 horizontal way, 4 vertical way. 4, 4, 16. That's why write down 16. Write multiplication fact. So 4 rows multiplied by 4 columns equal to 16. Got it? Let's move on to the second one, which is here one box is given in which we have 12 balls. Okay, horizontal way we have what we have 2 rows, and vertical way we have 6. Let's see number of rows. How many rows we have? 2 rows. Write down 2. Number of columns. How many columns we have? We have 6 columns. Write down 6. Number of balls means total number of balls. 2 multiplied by 6 equal to 60. If we have to write down the multiplication fact, we have to count rows multiplied by column. So 2 multiplied by 6 equal to 12. So 12 balls we have. Let's see third one. So here one box is given in which we have 15 leaves. Okay, so let's count this. Okay, we have 15. So her 3 rows are there and 5 columns are there. So that one we have to fill it in the blanks. Number of rows equal to 3. Number of columns equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of leaves. How many leaves are there in total? Total we have just counted 15 leaves. Now we have to write it down the multiplication fact. Means rows into column. 3 multiplied by 5 equal to 15. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the fourth one, which is, so here we have given some amount of cups in which we have to count it down. How many rows are there, how many columns are there, and total how many mugs are there. Okay, so let's see number of rows. How many rows are there? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows are there. How many columns? Columns means vertical way. So we have 2 columns. Write down 2. So number of mugs. Total number of mugs. Just count it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 mugs are there. So multiplication fact will be 5 multiplied by 2 means rows multiplied by column equal to 10. Total we have 10 mugs. Got it, guys? Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 3. Okay, here the subtopic is deriving new multiplication tables. Okay, let's see here in the first Roman we have make table 7 by adding table 5 and 2. Okay, we have to make the table 7 by adding table 5 and table 2. So here one box is given in which we have 3 rows. So first we have to write it down. The table 5 means 5th table. Next we have to write it down. Table 2 means 7th table. Next we have to write down the 7th table. If you don't know the 7th table, just count it down means just add table 5 and table 2. You may get the answer of table 7. So let's see this, guys. It's very interesting. Just be with me. Okay, let's see this. First write down table 5. 5 1s 5, 5 2s 10, 5 3s 15, 5 4s 20, 5 5s 25, 5 6 30, 5 7s 35, 5 8s 40, 5 9s 45 and 5 10s 50. Next we have to write down table 2. So 2 1s 2, 2 2s 4, 2 3s 6, 2 4s 8, 2 5s 10, 2 6 12, 2 7s 14, 2 8 16, 2 9s 18, 2 10s 20. I know, guys, I am just speaking very fast. Why? Because I don't want to waste your time. Already if I have to complete one chapter, it will take more than or else approximately 1 hour. So I don't want to take more than time. Okay, means more than 1 hour. That's why I'm just going fast. Okay, I know you are all getting my point. If you don't understand somewhere, just please pause the video, go back a little seconds and just listen once again. I'm sure you'll get it. Okay, let's see. So table 7, if you know the table 7, just write it down, or else you just add table 5 and table 2, you may get the answer. Just see here, we'll just do it by addition. Okay, write down table 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7, 10 plus 4 is 14, 15 plus 6 is 21, then 20 plus 8, 28, 25 plus 10 is 35, then 30 plus 12 is 42, 35 plus 14 is 49, then 40 plus 16 is 56, then 45 plus 18 is 63, then last 50 plus 20 is 70. If you have doubt whether this is right or wrong, just go through 7th table. 7 1 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63 and 7 10 is 70. Got it guys? In this way also you may check it out your answers. Okay, let's move on to the second one, which is here make table 8 by adding table 6 and table 2. Okay, same as it is as the above. So here we have to make the table 8 by adding table 6 and table 2. Okay, let's see. First one, table 6. 6 1 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54, 6 10 60. Next second table, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18 and 2 10 is 20. Now what we have to do, we have to add the tables of 6 and 2. We'll get the answer of table 8. Let's see. 6 plus 2 is 8, 12 plus 4 is 16, 18 plus 6 is 24, 24 plus 8 is 32, 30 plus 10 is 40, 36 plus 12 is 48, 42 plus 14 is 56, 48 plus 16 is 64, 54 plus 18 is 72 and 60 plus 20 is 80. If you have doubt, just go through 8 table. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72 and 8 10 is 80. Got it guys? Let's move on to the third Roman. Here we have to make the table of 9 by adding 5th table and 4th table. Okay, let's see. First we'll write down the 5th table, then we'll write table 4 means 4th table. By adding 5th table and 4th table, we'll get the answer of table 9. Okay, we'll start with table 5. Let's see this. So 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 30, 5 7 is 35, 5 8 is 40, 5 9 is 45 and 5 10 is 50. Now we'll write table 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 24, 4 7 is 28, 4 8 is 32, 4 9 is 36, 4 10 is 40. Now we'll add both. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 10 plus 8 is 18, 15 plus 12 is 27, 20 plus 16 is 36, 25 plus 20 is 45, 30 plus 24 is 54, 35 plus 28 is 63, then 40 plus 32 is 72, then 45 plus 36 is 81, then 50 plus 40 is 90. Got it guys? If you have doubt, just go through 9 table. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 54, 9 7 63, 9 8 72, 9 9 is 81 and 9 10 is 90. Got it? Now we'll move to the fourth worksheet. Here the subtopic is multiplication of 2-digit number by 1-digit number. Here we have to multiply the 2-digit number with 1-digit number. Let's see this guys. Here some questions are given which we need to solve. Let's see. First one is 12 multiplied by 2. Whenever you are given any number to multiply, what you have to do, you have to write it down neatly and clearly. Means first just separate it like units digit or else ones digit, then tens digit, then hundreds digit. After that, the next multiplier by which you are going to multiply that number, you have to write it down exactly below the ones digit. If you have 2 digits, then second number will be you have to write it down just below the tens digit. Then only you will get the correct answer or else you may go wrong. Okay, so let's see this. 12 multiplied by 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2. Answer is 24. Next 42 multiplied by 3. 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12. 126 is answer. Next 57 multiplied by 1. So 1 sevens 1, 1 into 2 is 1 into 5 is 5. 57 is your answer. Next fourth one. 37 multiplied by 2. 7 2's 14. 1 carry forward, write down 4 here. So 3 2 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 74 is your answer. Next 49 multiplied by 3. 9 3 is 27. Write down 7 here, 2 carry forward. So 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 147 is your answer. Next 38 multiplied by 4. So 8 4 is 32, write down 2, 3 carry forward, then 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 152 is your answer. Next one, 65 multiplied by 5, 5 5 is 25, write down 5, 2 carry forward, 6 5 is 30, 30 plus 2, 32, 325 is your answer. Next 64 multiplied by 6, 6 4 is 24, 2 carry forward, write down 4, then 6 6 36, 36 plus 2 is 38. Next, so answer is 384. Next one, 32 multiplied by 7, 7 2 is 14, write down 4, 1 carry forward, then 7 3 is 21, so 21 plus 1, 22, 224 is your answer. Next one, 89 multiplied by 8. So 9 8 72. 7 carry forward, write down 2. 8 8 64. 64 plus 7 is 71. Got it? Next one. 99 multiplied by 9. So 9 9 is 81. 8 carry forward, write down 1. Okay, 9 9 is 81 again. So 80 plus 9 is 89. So answer is 891. Next one. 60 multiplied by 5. So 5 zeros 0, 6 5s 30. So 300 is your answer. Got it, guys? So in this way you have to do the multiplication of any number, whether 1 digit or else 2 digit. But you have to make sure, and means you have to be alert while you just carry forward the number. Okay, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 5. Here the subtopic is multiplication of 2 digit number by 2 digit number. Okay, so here we have to multiply the number with 2 digit. Let's see. First one is 27 multiplied by 17. Okay. So guys, don't worry by seeing the 2 digit number. So this is also same as it is, but you have to make sure first you have to do the multiplication with one number, then you have to go for the multiplication with second number. Let's see. First we'll go with 7 multiplied by 24. So 7 4 is 28. Write down 8 to carry forward. 7 2 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 168. Then we'll go with one table. So 24 into 1. 1 4 is 4. 1 2 is 2. So 24 write down. Then you have to add 8 as it is. Then 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 carry forward. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 408 is your answer. Got it? Let's see the second one. 25 multiplied by 24. So first we'll go with fourth table for 25. Okay. So 4 5 is 20. 2 carry forward, write down 0. Then 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Write down 10 means 100. Next we'll go with 2 table. So 2 5 is 10. 1 carry forward, write down 0. 2 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Write down 50. But here, while writing the second number multiplication, you have to leave the ones place of the first to the first multiplication. Okay. So now count it, means do the addition. So 0 as it is, then 0 plus 0 again 0, then 1 plus 5 is 6. So 600 is your answer. Next third one, 37 multiplied by 39. So we'll go first with 37 multiplied by 9. So 9 sevens 63, 6 carry forward, write down 3, then 9 threes 27, 27 plus 3 is 33. Next we'll go with 3 table for 37. So 7 3 is 21, write down 1, 2 carry forward, 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. So we have to add it. So 3 will come as it is, then 3 plus 1 is 4, again 3 plus 1 is 4, 1 as it is. So answer is 1443. So this is the answer for multiplication of 37 multiplied by 39. Got it, guys? In this way you have to do the addition. I know you'll take some more time to do this, okay, but do practice well this type of all sums. You may get grip over all this type of difficult sums. In the examination also it will be very easy for you to write down the correct answers. Okay. Let's see fourth one, fifth one and sixth one. Here I'll just explain you, but I will tell you guys, please you have to pause the video and write it down yourself first. Then check it out the answers whether you have written correct or wrong. In this way you may check your answers. In this way you may improve yourself. You may check how well you are doing this multiplication. Okay, let's see. Fourth one is 39 multiplied by 54. If you do the addition, you will get the answer as 2106. Again, next number is 42 multiplied by 37. So while doing, means after doing the multiplication, you will get the answer as 1554. Next one is 50 multiplied by 50. So this type of sums are very easy. You just skip, means you just put the zeros separately. First multiply the numbers. 5 is 25. So how many zeros are there? Here 1 0, here 1 0. Just write it down 2 zeros. Your answer is ready. 2500. So 2500 is your answer. So in this way you may write it down. Let's check the next number, that is 72 multiplied by 34. So 72 multiplied by 34 is 2448. Next number is 76 multiplied by 19. If you do the multiplication, you will get the answer as 1444. Let's see the last one, guys. Here the multiplication is 84 multiplied by 23. So if you do the addition, if you do the multiplication, you will get the answer as 1932. Got it? So don't worry by seeing the big numbers, okay, just do practice, you will get it. Okay, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 6. So here the topic is multiplication of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. It is very easy, guys. Let's see. So first one is 104 multiplied by 2. So 2 4s 8. 200, 2 ones 2. 208 is your answer. Next one, 222 multiplied by 2. So 2 2s 4, 2 2s 4, 2 2s 4. So 444 is your answer. Next third one, 385 multiplied by 2. So answer is 5 2s 10, 1 carry forward, write down 0. 8 2s 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, write down 7, 1 carry forward again. Then 3 to 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Answer is 770. Got it? Let's move on to the fourth one, which is 200 multiplied by 6. So 300, 300, 326. 600 is your answer. Next one, 313 multiplied by 3. So 3 3s 9, 3 1s 3, 3 3s 9. So answer is 939. Got it? Let's move on to the sixth one, okay, which is 342 multiplied by 2. 2 2s 4, okay, 4 2s 8, 3 2s 6. So 684 is the answer. Got it, guys? In this way you have to do the multiplication. Okay, so let's see the next one, which is seventh one. Here we have given 991 multiplied by 1. So 1 9s 9, 1 9s 9, 1 9s 9. So 999 is your answer. Next one, 434 multiplied by 2. So 4 2s 8, 3 2s 6, 4 2s 8. 868 is your answer. Next, 123 multiplied by 3. 3 3s 9, 3 2s 6, 3 1s 3. So 369 is the answer. Next one, 221 multiplied by 4. 4 1s 4, 4 2s 8, 4 2s 8. So answer is 884. Next one, 111 multiplied by 4. 4 1s 4, 4 1s 4, 4 1s 4. Answer is 444. Next one, 101 multiplied by 5. 5 1s 5, 5 0 0, 5 1s 5. So 505 is your answer. Got it, guys? Okay. Let's move on to the next worksheet. that is worksheet number 7. Here the subtopic is multiplication of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Okay, so let's do this. So first one is 220 multiplied by 4. 400, 4 8, 4 8. 880 is your answer. Next one, 100 multiplied by 5. 100 is 500. So 500 is your answer. Next, 110 multiplied by 5. 500, 515. So 550 is your answer. Next one, 100 multiplied by 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay, so write down 0. Next one, 110 multiplied by 7. 700, 717. So 770 is your answer. Next one, 101 multiplied by 8. So 8 ones 8, 800, 8 ones 8. So 808 is your answer. Next one, 101 multiplied by 7. 717, 700, 717. 707 is your answer. Next one, 100 multiplied by 9. So 900, 919. 900 is your answer. Next one, 243 multiplied by 2. So 236, 2 4s 8, 2 2s 4. 486 is your answer. Next, 323 multiplied by 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 2 6, 3 3 is 9. 969 is your answer. Next, 111 multiplied by 9. So, answer is 999. Next, 124 multiplied by 2. So, 2 4s 8, 2 2s 4, 2 1s 2. So, answer is 248. Okay. Next one is 203 multiplied by 8. 8 3 is 24. Write down 4, 2 carry forward. 800, 2 is there, write down 2. Then 8 2 16. Write down 16. So answer is 1624. Next, 101 multiplied by 5. 5 ones 5, 500, 5 ones 5. So answer is 505. Next one is 111 multiplied by 7. So 7 ones 7, 7 ones 7, 7 ones 7. Answer is 777. Got it, guys? I hope you understood this and enjoyed doing multiplication. Okay, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 8. So here the concept is multiplication with 10 and 100. Okay, let's see this. It's very easy, guys. Let's do this also. So first one is 14 multiplied by 10. So I already told you, whenever you are going to multiply it with 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000 like that, first what you have to do, you have to keep aside all the zeros. You have to multiply it by 1. Write down multiplication of that given number, and how many zeros are there, just write it down, that zeros. You will get the answer. So here 14 ones is 14, 1 0 is there, that's why write down 0. 140 is your answer. If you are finding it difficult, just do this as you wish. So zeros multiplied by 14 is 0 and 14 ones 14. So 0 will be same. 4 plus 0 is 4 and 1 will as it is. So 140 is your answer. Okay, what trick I have told you, that one is dead easy, so just go for it. Okay, next one is 19 multiplied by 10. So here keep aside the 0. 19 ones is 19, 1 0 is there, so write down 1 0. So 190 is your answer. Next, third one, 45 multiplied by 10. Keep aside the 0. 45 ones 45, 1 0 is there, write down 1. So answer is 450. Got it, guys? Now we'll see the question number I, which is 37 multiplied by 100. So 37 ones 37, write down 2 zeros. 3700 is your answer. Next one, 59 multiplied by 100. So write down the multiplication of 59 into 1 is 59. So here we have 2 zeros, that's why write down 2 zeros. 5900 is your answer. Next, 64 multiplied by what will get 6400. So here we have 2 zeros, means we have to multiply it by 100. 64 into 100 will get 6400. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the next one, which is 31 multiplied by dash will get the answer as 310. So here 10 is there, means we have to multiply it by 10. So 31 1 multiplied by 10 will get 310. Next one, 37 multiplied by what will get 370. So here also 10 is there, that's why we have to multiply it by 10. So 37 multiplied by 10 is 370. Next one, dash multiplied by 10, answer is 350. Here 10 is multiplied by which number? Here 35 is given, means we have to multiply it by 35. So 35 multiplied by 10 will be 350. Okay. Next, dash multiplied by 10 equal to 480. 48 is there, so we have to multiply it by 48. 48 multiplied by 10 is 480. Next, dash multiplied by 10 equal to 750. So here 10 multiplied by which number will get 750? Of course 75. So 75 multiplied by 10 is 750. Next one. So 39 multiplied by what will get 3900. So here two zeros are there, means we have to multiply it by 100. So 39 multiplied by 100, 3900 is the answer. Next one, dash multiplied by 100 equal to 7900. Here two zeros is already there. So and the number is 79, means we have to multiply it by 79. 79 multiplied by 100 is 7900. Next one, dash multiplied by dash equal to 4500, means 4500. Here number is 45 and two zeros are there, means we can easily say that 45 multiplied by 100 is 4500. Next one, dash multiplied by dash equal to 6000. Here, if you observe carefully guys, here we have three zeros. You may write it down in two ways, that is 6 multiplied by 1000 or else 60 multiplied by 100. Okay, you will get the answer same. Next one, dash multiplied by dash equal to 8900, means 8900. Here two zeros are there, means 100. 89 is the number. So 89 multiplied by 100. Okay, so answer is 8900. Got it guys? Let's move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 9. Here the subtopic is oral maths. Here we have to do the oral maths so that we'll get a grip over multiplication. Let's see here, first Roman is given, fill in the blanks. So here one table is given of two columns. So first column is number of buses, second column is total number of wheels. Okay, let's see. So number of buses is 1. For one bus, how many wheels are there? 6 wheels. Means 1 into 6 equal to 6. So next, if we have 3 buses, then how many wheels will be there? 3 multiplied by 6. 6 3 is 18. Total 18 wheels will be there. Okay, next one. 5 buses are there. How many wheels? 5 multiplied by 6. 30 wheels, means 30 wheels are there. So next one, 9 buses. So for 9 buses, how many wheels? 9 6 54. 54 wheels. Next one, 10 buses are there. For 10 buses, how many wheels? Total how many wheels? 10 multiplied by 6 equal to 60. So answer is 60. Understood guys? In this way you have to do the multiplication for the given sum. Got it? Now we'll move to the next Roman, which is Roman number 2. Here also we have given one table in which we have two columns. First column is number of cars, second column is total number of wheels. Let's see, for car how many wheels will be there? We all know 4 wheels. Okay, so that's why 1 into 4 4. Next, if we have 5 cars, then how many wheels for 5 cars? 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. 5 4 is 20. Next, for 7 cars we'll have 28 wheels, means 7 4 is 28. Next, for 10 cars we have 10 4 is 40. 40 wheels. Then for 20 cars we have 80 wheels. So 80 is your answer. Got it guys? Understood? Okay. Let's move on to the third Roman, which is here also one table is given of 4 columns. So first column is item, second column is cost of 1 kg, third column is cost of 5 kgs and fourth column is cost of 10 kgs. Okay, let's see. So first one is sugar. So sugar cost is 35. So sugar 1 kg cost is 35. Then we have to say cost of 5 kg sugar means 5 multiplied by 35 is 175. See, 5 5 is 25, 2 carry forward, write down 5, 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17, 175. Then cost of 10 kgs. So 35 multiplied by 10. I already told you here 1 0 is there. So 35 ones 35, write down 0 1. Means 350 is your answer. Got it? Next one is rice. Rice 1 kg cost is 40 rupees. Now we have to say the answer of 5 kg rice cost. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 40. So here 1 0 is there. 5 4 is 20. Write down 1 0. Means 200 is your answer. Cost of 5 kg rice is 200. Next, cost of 10 kg rice means 10 multiplied by 40. So here 4 ones 4, 2 zeros, just write it down, 2 zeros. So 400 is your answer for 10 kg rice. Next one, jaggery. Jaggery 1 kg cost is 45. Then we have to say 5 kg jaggery rice, jaggery cost. So 5 multiplied by 45. So multiplied 5 5 is 25. Write down 5, 2 carry forward. 5 4 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. So 225 is your answer for 5 kg jaggery cost. Okay, next 10 kg jaggery is 10 multiplied by 45. Here I told you, write down 45 ones 45, 1 0 is there, write down 1 0. So 450 is the answer for 10 kgs jaggery. Next one, green gram. Green gram 1 kg cost is 90. Then 5 kg cost is 5 multiplied by 90. 5 9s 45. Add 1 0. 450 is your answer. Okay, next, cost of 10 kgs green gram is 10 multiplied by 90 equal to 9 ones 9. Then 2 zeros. 900 is your answer. Next, last one, red gram. So red gram 1 kg cost is 80. So 5 kg cost is 5 multiplied by 80. 5 8 is 40. Then 1 0. 400 is your answer. Okay, next, 10 kg cost of red gram means 10 into 80 means 800 is your answer. Okay, got it, guys? Okay, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 10. Here the subtopic is multiplication, understanding word problems. Okay, let's see the first question. There are 12 tables in a classroom. Each table has 4 legs. Okay, what is the total number of legs of all tables? Okay, let's see. Here we have to give the answer for the given questions. What information is given in the problem? So, what information is given? Number of tables given and the number of legs for each table. Okay, next, second question. What is to be found in the problem? If you observe the question, what we have to find? We have to find the total number of legs of all tables. Okay, write down. We have to find the total number of legs of all tables. Okay, next, third one. Which process do you follow to solve the problem? Of course, we have to do the multiplication. So write down multiplication process, or else you may write down the answer. But here they didn't ask you the answer, but still you just write it down. 12 multiplied by 4, 48. So we have 48 legs to all the tables. Okay, so let's move on to the second question, which is, there are 5 fingers in a hand. How many fingers are there for 15 hands? Okay, so let's see the answer. How many fingers are there in one hand? In one hand we have how many fingers? 5 fingers. Write down 5. Next, second one. How many hands are there? How many hands are given in the question? 15 hands. Write down 15. Okay. Next, to get total number of fingers, what should we do? So to get total number of fingers, we have to do the multiplication. So 15 5s is 75. So total fingers we have 75. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the third question, which is, there are 3 blades in a fan. Find the number of blades for 20 fans. Okay, let's see the answer. Number of fans are 20. Number of blades in each fan is 3. So total number of blades for all fans is 20 multiplied by 3. So 2 3 6, add 1 0. So answer is 60. So how many blades are there for 20 fans? There are 60 blades. Total we have 60 blades for 20 fans. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the fourth question, which is, A shirt has 5 buttons. Find the number of buttons in 5 shirts. So write down the answer. Number of shirts. How many shirts are there? 5. So number of buttons to each shirt. There are 5 buttons to each shirt. So total number of buttons to all shirts equal to 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s 25. So total 25 buttons are there for 5 shirts. Got it? Let's move to the next question, which is a textbook has 112 pages. Find the number of pages in 4 textbooks. Okay, let's see the answer. Here given, what we have given, just write it down. So number of pages is 112. So number of books are 4, means 4 textbooks are there. So now we have to find the total number of pages for 4 textbooks, means 112 multiplied by 4. So do the multiplication. 4 2s 8, 4 1s 4 and 4 1s 4. So total how many pages we have? 448 pages. Write down the answer. Okay, understood guys? Okay, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 11. Here the subtopic is multiplication word problems. Let's see, first question is the cost of cap is 33. Okay, find the cost of 3 caps. Of course, here also we have to do the multiplication as our topic. So write down the answer. The cost of a cap. One cap cost is 33. Now we have to find the cost of 3 caps. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 33. 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9. So answer is 99 rupees. So 99 rupees is the cost of 3 caps. Let's see the second question, which is the cost of 1 chocolate is rupees 3. Find the cost of 18 chocolates. Okay, write down the answer. Given the cost of 1 chocolate is 3, means rupees 3. Then cost of 18 chocolates equal to 3 multiplied by 18. So answer is, let's do this. 8 3 is 24. Write down 4 to carry forward. 3 1s 3. Add 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So answer is 54. So 54 rupees is the cost of 18 chocolates. Next, third question. The cost of 1 ice cream is rupees 4. Lakshmi bought 23 ice creams for her friends. How many money she has to pay to the shopkeeper? So let's do this guys. So cost of 1 ice cream is rupees 4, right? So cost of 23 ice creams means 23 multiplied by 4. So 4 3s 12, 1 carry forward, write down 2, 4 2s 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 92 is the answer. So 92 rupees Lakshmi has to pay to the shopkeeper to get 23 ice creams. Got it guys? Let's move on to the fourth question, which is Sirisha has 16 pair of bangles. How many bangles she has altogether? Let's see the answer. How many pairs Sirisha has? Number of pairs of bangles equal to 16. So in pair, how many items will be there? In pair we have 2 items. Write down number of items for each pair is 2. So we have to find the total number of bangles Sirisha has. Total bangles she has is 16 multiplied by 2. So 2 6 12. 1 carry forward, write down 2. 2 1s 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 32 bangles Sirisha has. Next, fifth question. A packet contains 10 candles. How many candles are there in 5 packets? Okay, let's see the answer. Number of candles in each packet is 10. How many packets are there? Number of packets are 5. Now we have to find the total number of candles in 5 packets. So number of candles in 5 packets equal to 5 multiplied by 10 means 5 times 50. 50 is the answer. So total we have 50 candles in 5 packets. Got it guys? Let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 12. Here the concept is multiplication word problems. Let's see, first question is, there are 24 sheets of paper in a pack. How many sheets of papers are there in 5 packets? Let's see the answer. Number of sheets in a pack. How many sheets are there in one pack? We have 24 sheets. So total how many packets are given? Number of packets equal to 5 packets are given. Write down 5. So now we have to find the total number of sheets in 5 packets equal to 24 multiplied by 5. So 5 4s 20. To carry forward, write down 0. Then 5 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Total 120 sheets are there. So answer is 120 sheets. Let's move on to the second question, which is there are 44 chairs in a row. Each chair has 4 legs. Okay, then what is the total number of legs? What is the total number of legs of chairs in all? Write down the answer. Number of chairs in a row is 44. In one row we have 44 chairs. Number of legs for each chair is 4. Total number of legs of all chairs means 44 multiplied by 4. 4 4 16. 1 carry forward, write down 6. 4 4 16 again. 1 plus 1. 4 16 plus 1 is 17. So 176. So total we have 176 for 44 chairs. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the third question, which is Raju distributed 4 chocolates to each student in a class. If there are 34 students, how many chocolates were distributed in all? Write down the answer. Number of students in a class. How many students are there? There are 34. Okay, next, number of chocolates distributed to each student. How many chocolates distributed? Raju to all students means for each student he distributed 4 chocolates. Write down 4. Then total number of chocolates distributed to all means 34 multiplied by 4. 4 4 16. 1 carry forward. Write down 6. Then 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So answer is 136. Got it? 136 chocolates he distributed in the class. Next, fourth question. The cost of a color pencil box is rupees 56. Find the cost of 9 pencil boxes. Okay. Let's see. Cost of color pencil box is 56. Okay, number of pencil boxes are 9. So what we have to do? We have to do the multiplication to get the total cost of 9 color pencil boxes. Okay, so the cost of 9 pencil boxes, color pencil boxes equal to 56 multiplied by 9. Do the multiplication. 9 6 54. 5 carry forward, write down 4 here. Then 9 5 45. 45 plus 5 is 50. So answer is 504. So total cost of 9 color pencil boxes is 504 rupees. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 13. Here the subtopic is multiplication word problems, unit to many. Okay, let's see. First question is every spider has 8 legs. Okay, we all know this. How many legs are there for 24 spiders in all? So let's do the answer. Number of legs to each spider. For one spider they have 8 legs. Write down 8. Number of spiders. How many spiders are given in the sum? 24. Write down 24. Now we have to find the total legs for 24 spiders. Number of legs to 24 spiders equal to 24 multiplied by 8. Do the multiplication. 8 4 is 32. 3 carry forward. Write down 2. 8 2's 16. 16 plus 3 18. 16 plus 3 is 19. Okay, 192 legs are there for 24 spiders. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the second question, which is a book cost is rupees 80. What is the cost of 10 books? Okay, let's see the answer. Cost of a book is rupees 80. Number of books given. Total, how many books given? 10 books. Write down 10. So cost of 10 books equal to 80 multiplied by 10. So 80 multiplied by 10 means I already told you, keep aside the zeros, multiply the numbers. Okay, 8 ones 8, then write down 2 zeros. 800. So answer is 800. So total cost of 10 books is rupees 800. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the third question, which is in a milk booth, 42 milk cartons can be arranged on a shelf. If there are 15 shelves, How many milk cartons can be arranged? Let's see the answer. Number of cartons in a shelf. How many cartons are there? 42. Number of shells. How many shells given? 15. Now we have to find how many milk cartons are there in total. 15 shells. Let's see, 42 multiplied by 15 equal to, so first do the multiplication for 5, then do the multiplication for 1. Okay, we'll get the answer as 630. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the fourth question, which is the cost of a bag is rupees 43. Find the cost of 23 bags. So answer is cost of a bag. What is given? Rupees 43. Next, number of bags given 23. So total cost of 23 bags means we have to do the multiplication of 23 multiplied by 43. Okay, first do the multiplication of 23 by 4, then 23 by 3. You may get the answer as 989. So 989 is the cost of 23 bags. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the next worksheet, that is last worksheet of our workbook, 5th chapter, which is worksheet number 14. Here the subtopic is multiplication word problems in daily life. Okay, let's see the first question. Venkat saves rupees 65 per day. How much money will he save in 1 month? Okay, in 1 month 30 days are there, which is given here. Sometimes we have 31 days also, but here 30 days only given. Okay, let's see the answer. Saving amount of Venkat, rupees 65. Number of days in 1 month. So in the question we have given 30 days, write down 30. Next, total savings in 1 month equal to 65 multiplied by 30. I told you keep the 0 aside, do the multiplication for 65 multiplied by 3. Okay, 3 5s 15, write down 5, 1 carry forward, 6 3s 18, 18 plus 1 is 19. So you will get 195 and write down that 0 also. You will get the total of 1950. So this is the amount he saves in 1 month. Okay, write down the second, let's see the second question, which is Annapurna bought 79 sheets of color papers. Cost of each sheet is rupees 25. How much money she has to pay to the shopkeeper? Okay, let's see the answer. So number of color sheets. How many color sheets Annapurna bought? 79. Cost of each color paper sheet is rupees 25. Okay, now we have to find the total cost she has to pay, means 79 multiplied by 25. Okay, if you do the multiplication, you will get the answer as 1975. So guys, first you have to do the multiplication of 79 multiplied by 2, then 79 multiplied by 5. You will get it. Okay, so this is the answer. She has to pay 1975 to the shopkeeper to get 79 sheets of color papers. Got it? Let's move on to the third question, which is there are 24 hours in a day. How many hours are there in 1 month? Okay, let's see the answer. How many hours are there in 1 day? In 1 day we have 24 hours. And how many days are there in 1 month? In 1 month we have 30 days and also 31 days also. But here it is given 30 days. So that's why I write down 30. So let's see the answer. Number of hours in a day is 24. Number of days in a month is 30. So total hours in 1 month is 24 multiplied by 30. Do the multiplication. Keep the 0 aside. 3 4s 12. Write down 2, 1 carry forward. 3 2 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 72 you will get. And please add that 0, means write down that 0 also. You will get the total of 720. So 720 hours are there in 1 month. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the fourth question, which is there are 100 pineapples in a box. How many pineapples are there in 12 box? Write down the answer. Okay, number of pineapples in a box. In one box, how many pineapples are there? 100 pineapples. Okay, number of boxes. How many boxes are given in the question? So 12 boxes are given. Write down 12. So total pineapples in 12 box is equal to 12 multiplied by 100. I told you keep the zeros aside. 12 ones, 12. Then write down 2 zeros. You will get the answer as 1200. Means 1200 pineapples are there in 12 boxes. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the last worksheet, that is worksheet number 15. Okay, this is the last one. Let's see, here the subtopic is multiplication word problems. Let's see the first question, which is Sophia collected and arranged 212 postal stamps in each chart. Okay. She has 4 such charts. How many stamps are there with Sophia? Okay. Let's see the answer. Number of postal stamps in each chart. So, how many postal stamps Sophia pasted in one chart? In one chart, she pasted 212 postal stamps. Okay. Then, number of charts. How many charts are given in the question? There are 4 charts. Write down 4. So, number of stamps with Sophia in 4 charts. Total number of stamps. So 212 multiplied by 4. So do the multiplication. 4 2s 8, 4 1s 4, 4 2s 8. So 848 stamps were there in 4 charts which was collected by Sophia. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the second question, which is each child has 2 erasers. If there are 14 children, how many erasers are there in total? Write down the answer. Number of erasers each child has. For each child, how many erasers are there? There are 2 erasers. So write down 2. Number of children. Number of children. How many total children are there? There are 14 children. Okay, write down 14. Number of erasers in total means for 14 children, how many erasers will be required? So write down 14 multiplied by 2. Do the multiplication. 4 2s 8, 2 1s 2. Total 28 erasers needed for 14 children. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the third question, which is each Goa cost is rupees 3. How much does 1 dozen Goa cost? In 1 dozen, how many items will be there? 12 items. Okay, which is already given. Let's see the answer. Cost of a Goa is equal to rupees 3. Okay. In 1 dozen, how many items will be there? 12 items. Write down 12 items. Then write down cost of 1 dozen Goa. 1 dozen Goa is equal to 12 multiplied by 3. If you know the 12 table, you may easily write it down, or else you just do the multiplication. 12 3s is 36, or else do the addition. 3 2 6, 3 1s 3. You will get 36. So total cost of 1 dozen Goa is 36 rupees. Next, last question. Cost of 1 liter milk is rupees 50. If Raju takes 1 liter milk every day for 1 week, how much he will pay for that week? So let's see the answer. Cost of 1 liter milk is rupees 50. Right? So in 1 week, how many days will be there? 7 days. Write down 7 days. Then cost of milk for a week equal to 50 multiplied by 7. Okay, do the multiplication. Keep the 0 aside. 7 5 is 35. Then write down 0. 350 is your answer. So Raju has to pay 350 rupees for the cost of 1 liter milk for a week. Got it, guys? Okay, let's move on to the last worksheet. Sorry guys, I told you before that is the last worksheet. I didn't have that knowledge. Still we have one more sheet. Okay, so now it's clear. This is the last and final worksheet of our 5th chapter multiplication. So here our subtopic is self-assessment. Okay, let's do this. So first Roman we have given, answer the following. Fill in the blanks type given. Let's see. First one is the number to be multiplied is called as multiplicand. Second question, multiplicand into multiplier equal is called or else is equal to product. Next, third one, the product of a number and 0 is dash. So multiplication of any number with 0 is 0 only. So write down 0. Next, second Roman, do the following. So first one is given 12 multiplied by 5. If you know the 12th table, you may easily write it down 60 as the answer. If you don't know, just multiply 5 2's 10, write down 0, 1 carry forward, 5 1's 5, 1 add 6. So 60 is your answer. Next one, 23 multiplied by 35. First do the multiplication of 23 with 5 and then with 3. So 23 multiplied by 5. 5 3 is 15, write down 5, 1 carry forward. 5 2 is 10, add 1 means 11, 115. Then 23 multiplied by 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 2 6, 69. Now add, 5 will be as it is, 9 plus 1 is 10, write down 0, 1 carry forward. 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 805 is your answer. Next, third one, 24 multiplied by 10. So do the multiplication for 24 once is 24, then write down 0. So 240 is your answer. Next, Roman number 3, make a table of 12 by adding table 10 and table 2. Here you have to make a table of 12 by adding table 10 and table 2. First we will write the table 10. 10 1 is 10, 10 2 is 20, 10 3 is 30, 10 4 is 40, 10 5 is 50, 10 6 is 60, 10 7 is 70, 10 8 is 80, 10 9 is 90, 10 10 is 100. Then 2 table. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18, 2 10 is 20. Now add both. So 20 plus 4 is 24, 30 plus 6 36, 40 plus 8 48, then 50 plus 10 60, then 60 plus 12 72, then 70 plus 14 84, then 80 plus 16 96, then 90 plus 18 108, then 100 plus 20 is 120. Okay, if you see the 12 table, 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48, 12 5 is 60, 12 6 72, 12 8 12 7 is 84, 12 8 is 96, 12 9 is 108, 12 10 is 120. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the fourth question, which is, in an answer sheet, one can write only 20 lines. Okay, in one answer sheet, one can write only 20 lines. How many lines can be written in 12 pages? Let's see the answer. Number of lines each can write in an answer sheet is 20 lines. Okay, number of pages, how many pages are given? So 12 pages are given. So total number of lines in 12 pages equal to 12 multiplied by 20. So keep the 0 aside. 12 to is 24. Then write down 0. So total 240 lines. Okay. So one can write 240 lines in 12 pages. Got it, guys? Okay. Now we'll move to the fifth question, which is, in a cinema hall, there are 23 rows and 32 seats in each row. Okay, find the total number of seats. Let's see the answer. Number of seats in each row. How many seats are given in each row? 32. How many rows are there in cinema hall? There are 23 rows are there. Now we have to find how many, means total number of seats in a cinema hall, equal to 32 multiplied by 20. Okay, guys, do the multiplication of 32 by 2 and then 32 by 3, then add it. You will get the answer as 736. Got it, guys? Okay, let's move on to the next, means that same worksheet. Next question means sixth question. Check the following solutions and write, and what is your answer? Right, if it is wrong, we have to write the answers. So let's see, here two questions are given with answers. We have to check it, verify it whether it is right or wrong. If it is right, put right mark. If it is wrong, put cross mark and write the correct one. So first one is 42 multiplied by 7 equal to, if you multiplied 42 with 7, you will get the answer as 294. Here answer is given wrong, that's why put cross mark and write down 42 multiplied by 7 equal to 294. Okay, let's see the second one, which is 204 multiplied by 9. Do the multiplication. 9 4 is 36, 6 3 carry forward, 9 0 0, 3 is there, write down 3, 9 2 is 18. So 1836 is the correct one. That's why put right mark. No need to write it down again. Okay, let's see seventh question, which is write 19 plus 19 plus 19 plus 19 plus 19 plus 19. Okay, in a multiplication form. Okay, this one we have to write it down in a multiplication form. How many 19s are there? There are total 6 19s. So write down the multiplication form. 19 multiplied by 6. They didn't ask you the answer. If you want, you may just write it down. It's good. So 19 multiplied by 6 is 114. Got it, guys? Let's move on to the 8th question, which is here one table is given. Answer the following question by the data given below. Let's see this. So one table is given in which we have 5 columns. So first column is serial number, second column item, third column price, fourth column number of items, fifth column is total cost. Let's see this each carefully and give the correct answer of fifth column. Let's see. So first item is pen. Cost of each pen is 5. So number of items, how many pens are there? 12. Now we have to find out the total cost of 12 pens. So 5 multiplied by 12 is equal to 60 rupees. Next item is pencil. How many cost of one pencil is 4 rupees. How many items are there? How many pencils are there? 10. So total cost of 4 pencils. 10 fours 40. Next third one is book. Cost of a book is 15 rupees. How many books are there? 18. So total cost of 18 books equal to 15 multiplied by 18 equal to 270 rupees. Got it, guys? Okay, let's see the questions given below and give the correct answer for each. So first question is how many pencils are there? Total how many pencils are there? Total 10 pencils. Write down 10 pencils. Second one, what is the total cost of pens? So total cost of pens is rupees 60. Third question, what is the total cost of books? So total cost of books is 270 rupees. Okay, fourth question, what is the total cost of 3 items? If you add all the 3 items, you will get the answer as 370. So this is the answer for total cost of 3 items, that is pen, pencils and books in total. Got it, guys? Up to here your 5th chapter multiplication workbook answers are finished. I hope you all enjoyed this class, understood each and every question. I hope so. Okay, so guys, if you really enjoyed, if you like this class, so please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe, and please share this video to your friends of your school and the friends from other schools as well who you know. Okay guys, till then, be happy, stay safe, bye bye, take care, love is. Thank you so much.